Hi there YouTube, this is a experimental on clear coating this faded radio here. There's one right here, that's a brand new one. This is a new radio. It's foggy. And this is the new radio. Let's see if we can make this look better because that doesn't look too good. And we're gonna try to clear coat that and see how that comes out. Now we have the doors open. Do at your own risk, and hopefully I won't make a mistake, but I taped this all off with some tape. And we'll see if this will make it any better. Now, what we got so far is a 1K clear duplicate extreme finish, gloss finish. It's a 1K clear, and I use a very, very small piece of 1500 and lightly scrubbed it with some glass cleaner. And slightly, it was just a scuff. I didn't really do it that much, but it was a scuff. And let's see if this helps. Now we gotta do testers. Make sure it spans out. Make sure it spans out evenly. Let's see. And I would say that looks pretty good. And we're gonna wait till it clears, and I'll let you know. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And this is the end result on the tape taken off. And I think it looked pretty cool. I think this is a really cool little DIY little setup, you know. Anything that's scruffed up on plastic, you could just, you know, like sand it down a little bit, add some clear, and it looks good.